So now let's see how we can work around with text effects inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So in order to work around with text effects, you need to go around and click on this text right here and then go around under the effects tab right here. Once you do that, you can see that there's various effects that you can actually apply to it. So these are preset text styles that you can go around and apply. So you can go around and let's say, for example, click over here, and then this is the effect that has been applied, as you can see, just like this. If I were to go around and press enter and say keep on learning, then you can see that the same text style actually is applied right here. You can go around, resize it and keep it wherever you want. You can go around and click on different elements right here, as you can see, just like this, and that is what you have. As you can see, you can apply different text effects to it, which gives it a different look right here, apart from what you can apply from the basic effect settings right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and apply out the text effect inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.